The Neo High Pressure Washer is a powerful and efficient outdoor tool which will blast away dirt, moss and grime, leaving your surfaces sparkling clean. Ideal for surfaces including concrete, brick, hardwood, stone, wood and vinyl, the Neo High Pressure Washer can even be adapted to suit many other surfaces with optional available attachments. The 110 bar pressure washer features a carbon brush motor, gun with adjustable nozzle, 5 metre water hose, 5 metre power cord and quick connect foam tank. There's also an option to purchase a soft bristle car brush to gently clean your car, leaving it with a streak-free shine, and a patio attachment for those stubborn cleaning areas. Blast away dirt and grime with the Neo High Pressure Washer.